Victory, this is for Rosina. The round. Look at the reaction that after Enzo Fernandez goal. It's a great stuff. What a goal! What a sensation! We had turned around for Chelsea there. And then it's up to fourth place there in the. It's a wonderful, wonderful piece of victory for them. What a turnaround there for them. That's it. That's taking for the latest victory from man. This is a wonderful, wonderful piece of victory for them. What a victory! What a game! Wonderful.
This is from Enzo Fernandez. He has done it. Oh, what a victory this is for them. Yes, Chelsea, they have done it, and this is a great stuff from Chelsea there. Yes, 3-2 there in the night. And what a sensation. This is a victory this for Chelsea there. The comeback is on, and this is great, great stuff from Chelsea there in the end. Well, and yes, we have won the game. What a sensation this is a game. This is for the Enzo. You have done it, bro. You have done it. I'm so thrilled to get this game there in the end. What a victory. What a game. Yes, done it.